What's up guys, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video. And in today's video we are going to have a look into a conference speakerphone by eMeet Luna. Come with the updated AI noise reduction algorithm featuring daisy chain up to 8 people option. Supports Bluetooth speaker option. Dongle is available if you would like to connect it to the PC, which does not have a Bluetooth port built in there. Come with a fantastic 360-degree voice pickup option. And to be honest with you, having a smart AI algorithm ensures that the sound is immersive all the time. And turning on the noise cancellation is only one click away. Support multi-connection ways and also come with the dongle to ensure the stable Bluetooth connectivity. You can use the USB connected with your PC, a Bluetooth with your mobile phone, a dongle with the non-supporting Bluetooth devices, and auxiliary port for again non-supporting Bluetooth, or if you got any other extra connectivity available. Now this eMeet Luna is also highly compatible to work with various platforms including Zoom, Skype for the business, WebEx, Go Meeting, Google Hangout, FaceTime, and many more. Anyone which can have a voice connectivity, you can use this Luna on it, no problem. Portable size, stick it in your laptop bag, you won't even know that it's there for you. Now honestly speaking, the world we are living in now, where working from home or in offices where only limited people can be appear up, these devices are essential. And I also been using this device when I'm on a business trip as well, kind of handy to me, to be honest with you. We're going to check out all the features, what it can do and everything right within this video. And if you still have any more questions from start or to the end of it, do let me know in the comment section below. Within the packaging you get the user manual, quick startup guide for the audio adapter, warranty leaflet, one 3.5mm auxiliary cable for non-Bluetooth supporting devices, one USB-C type charging cable to charge your eMeet, one USB eMeet A200 USB adapter for your computer and iMac if you have, and information how to configure this all are also available too. In last but not least, eMeet Luna, where all the buttons to control it are available in the front, starting with the power on and off, Bluetooth volume control, turn off the microphone, call, attend, and this one in the end, which is AI noise reduction. Fantastic option. Right in the middle you have got a speaker and a status indicator lights on the top, where on the back we have all the ports, starting with the one USB-C type charging port, following with the output port, input port, and the locking pin if you're going to install it in your meeting room, just nobody nicks it kind of. Where under the base you have anti-slip rubbers and the 3 microphones along with a slot in the middle to install your adapter, so you don't need to carry it separately every time. Now from the design side, I have to admit this Luna is made of a premium quality. If it's sitting in your meeting desk, in your office or anywhere, you're going to like it actually. Come with the fantastic option of 3 microphone which will cover throughout the room, and artificial intelligent noise reduction system which will also help you to get the voice from the right person right at a time actually. Well, from the specification side, it all seems to be fantastic. Let's go ahead with the performance and see how it's all going to work out. Now connecting this eMeet Luna with your mobile phone is easy and straightforward by press and hold on this power on button first. And if you see this blue LED light flashing in the middle, that means you are in a Bluetooth pairing mode. Open up your mobile phone and go down into the Bluetooth settings. Now within available devices, you should be able to locate eMeet Luna. Click on it and click pair button. You're also going to hear the notification on your mobile phone too. Now on my mobile phone, I have an application called voice recording on Bluetooth actually. I'm going to turn that one on. Now all the recording you are hearing from now on is recorded by this eMeet Luna. I can turn the AI on. Now obviously, it's going to reduce all the noise around it. Now I'm going to walk around the room far, near. You will get an idea that how is the sound quality. So I am in about 3 meters away within the room, and I'm sure you can hear me clearly. I have not checked the sound quality. I'm just rolling around inside the room actually, from one end to another end. Not rolling around, I should say. moving from one end to another end. Pretty far actually, to be honest with you. Now, my kids are shouting in the background. I don't know if you can hear them or not. Now I'm coming near to the eMeet Luna. So you will get an idea that how the sound quality is that clear or not. So I'm going to check out myself as well and show you in the end of this video that what I think about it. Well, let's not forget it that this eLuna also come with speaker output. So let's play some music to see how is the performance of that too. Well, let's check out the audio performance. I am actually getting a call on my eMeet and I can attend it right from there. Hello.
Hello.
Hi Mohit.
Hello.
Can you hear me clearly? I can hear you very clearly.
Yes, you're very clear.
Is it? All right. Okay.
Yes.
Is there any hiss in the sound or anything like that?
No.
No? All right. Can you say something? Tell me a joke or something. You have got a lot of silly jokes with you.
No, I don't have any jokes.
No, tell me a silly joke. Okay.
No, I have any jokes.
Okay. Now tell me something now. How is the sound? How is the sound quality now? Any difference?
No.
You can just disconnect the call by pressing this call button as well if you want to. Works great fine, no problem whatsoever. Well, I can only tell you what I heard from other side, that everything was quite clear. And I have been using it as well. So far, nobody had complained to me at all. I have used the other sets like a Jabra as well. Honestly speaking, they are not as good as this one. Worked great for me. Fantastic, and I would highly recommend it too. Now using this dongle you can connect with your PC, no problem whatsoever, works great. But I couldn't record anything on the PC, that's why I used my mobile phone to show you its performance and the audio quality. Now that will be completely all from my side. If you still have any more reservation on this eMeet Luna product, do let me know in the comment section down below. I would be happy to help. Now that will be completely all from my side, guys. Thank you again for watching this video. Shall see you soon into another one. Bye for now.